Stress and health. Stress can be brief, situational, and a positive force, motivating performance. But if experienced over an extended period of time, it can become chronic stress, which negatively impacts health and well-being. Let's see how stress affects our health. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel if you are new here. Do watch other videos in this channel. Share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. Stress is a natural reaction. In certain situations, we already said or understood that stress can be beneficial. It can help motivate and focus individuals, improve performance, and enhance alertness. For example, when facing a deadline or a challenging task, stress can provide the necessary energy and focus to complete the task efficiently. The problems arise when stress becomes chronic or overwhelming. Prolonged exposure to stress without adequate periods of relaxation and recovery. It can have negative effect on physical and mental health. That means chronic stress can lead to a range of issues. You probably do confront multiple challenges every day, such as meeting deadlines, paying bills, juggling childcare, etc. As a result, your body's natural alarm system, that is the fight or flight response, may be stuck in the on position, and that can have serious consequences for your health. Let us use the analogy of a car's alarm system to explain the body's fight or flight response. Under normal circumstances, the alarm system activates when there is a genuine threat, such as someone trying to break into the car. Once the threat is resolved, the alarm system turns off and the car goes back to its normal state. Same way, our stress response system also works. Once the stress is over, our body will be back to normal state. Consider if the car's alarm system gets stuck in the on position. What happens? The car remains in a state of high alert, constantly scanning for threat even if none are present. This can exhaust the car's resources and put unnecessary strain on its various systems. If the alarm remains on for an extended period, it drains the battery quickly. The continuous sounding of the car's alarm, it can cause wear and tear on the alarm system itself, potentially leading to the malfunction or damage. When the alarm system is constantly activated, it diverts the car's attention and resources away from other important function. Same way, if our body is under stress for a prolonged time, it can have serious consequences for our health. Acute stress and health. Even short-lived, minor stress, it can have an impact on your health. For example, you might get a stomachache before you have to give a presentation. More major acute stress, whether caused by a fight with your spouse or an event like an earthquake or terrorist attack, it can have an even bigger impact. Repeated acute stress, it may also contribute to the inflammation in the circulatory system, particularly in the coronary arteries. And this is one pathway that is thought to tie stress to a heart attack. That is prolonged stress. It can cause inflammation in the blood vessels. So this is how normal blood flow happens. When there is inflammation in the blood vessel, then it will be difficult for the blood to flow and it can lead to heart attack. It also appears that how a person responds to stress, it can affect the cholesterol level also. Chronic stress and health. When stress starts interfering with your ability to live a normal life for an extended period, it becomes even more dangerous. The longer the stress lasts, the worse it is for both your mind and body. You might feel fatigued, unable to concentrate, or irritable for no good reason. Chronic stress causes wear and tear on your body also. The long-term activation of the stress response system and the overexposure to cortisol and other stress hormone that come with it can disrupt almost all of your body's processes. This can put you at increased risk for a variety of physical and mental health problems. It includes anxiety, depression, digestive issues, headaches, muscle tension and pain, heart disease, heart attack, high blood pressure, stroke, sleep problems, weight gain, and memory and concentration impairments. Chronic stress may also cause diseases either because of changes in your body or because of overeating, smoking, and other bad habits that people use to cope with this stress. Chronic stress also suppresses the body's immune system, making it harder to recover from illness. Now let's see the stress, whether it is acute or chronic, how it affects our overall health, what is its impact on our various system in our body. First one, mental health. Chronic stress is associated with an increased risk of mental health disorder such as anxiety and depression. It can also exacerbate existing mental health condition leading to more severe symptoms. Cardiovascular system. Prolonged stress can contribute to high blood pressure, heart disease, and an increased risk of heart attack or stroke. Stress hormones can raise blood pressure and cholesterol level, affecting the health of the heart and blood vessels. Immune system. Stress weakens the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to infection, illness, and slower healing time. It can also worsen autoimmune condition by triggering flare-ups. Digestive system. Stress can cause digestive issues such as stomachache, diarrhea, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome. It can also worsen symptoms of existing digestive disorders. Sleep disturbances. Stress can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to insomnia or poor quality sleep. Inadequate sleep. It can further contribute to physical and mental health problems. Weight management. Some people may experience weight gain and some people may experience weight loss due to this stress. Stress can trigger emotional eating, leading to weight gain, and it can suppress appetite, causing weight loss. These fluctuations can have implications for overall health and well-being. Skin conditions. Stress can worsen skin conditions such as acne, eczema, psoriasis, and hives. It can also delay wound healing and contribute to premature aging of the skin. Now let's have a quick recap on what we have learned. We have learned that stress is a natural reaction and how the acute stress and the chronic stress, how it affects our health and how it affects our various systems in the body. In the upcoming video, we will see examination or test anxiety. Hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.